Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Lee.
Can you spell your name?
Mm, S A N
Mm-hmm.
A.
Okay, thank you. So, how old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
Uh, I'm 11.
11 years old?
Yeah,
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from is Bình Dương.
Mizu province.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you. So, can you tell me, do you like playing sports?
yeah. I play sport.
So, which sport do you like to play?
Uh, I like playing tennis.
Mhm. So, who do you often play tennis with?
I play tennis with my parents.
Your parents?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. So, do you have any computer at home? Do you have a computer?
yes, I have.
Okay, so do you often use computer?
Mm,
Do you often use a computer?
no,
No? Okay, thank you. So, what do you use the computer for? Do you use a computer for playing games, for studying, for listening to music?
uh, listen to music.
Listen to music. Okay, thank you. So, can you tell me what is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school is math.
Maths. Why do you like maths?
Um,
Why?
uh,
Because it's easy.
yes,
Is it
it's
easy?
easy.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Uh, I like painting. I like painting and play game.
Painting and playing games.
Yes,
Okay, are you good at painting?
yes.
Okay, so what do you paint?
Mm,
Do you paint
I
people
I
or
do paint people and animal
people and animals?
and my pet.
Oh, your pets?
Yes.
What is your pet?
Uh, it's the dog.
Is a dog? Okay, thank you. So, now let's move to this part. Okay. Yep. Now let's talk about the sport club. Okay. Now you have 10 seconds to look at the information here,
Yes.
and I have some questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, Lynn, can you tell me what sports can you play at the sport club?
Hmm. Uh, I play sports every day. Is football, basketball, volleyball, tennis, and baseball.
So, where is a sport club?
Mm,
Where is it? Now, don't look at here. It's here. Where? Where is it?
mm,
Okay, so is it club for all ages or only for children?
mm, for for younger people
For young people
from 10 to 18
years old.
yes.
Okay, so how much does it cost? Money, how much does it cost?
20 plus 25
25 pounds.
pounds a week.
25 pounds a week?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So when is it open?
Is opens is
When?
two is open is truly
From July
to oh,
from July to August.
August. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now let's talk about the library. So you don't know anything about the library, but I do. So now you ask me some question about the library and I will answer you.
Where's a clock?
Where what?
Clock.
Where? Where is the library?
Library.
Okay, the library is on New England Museum Street.
When's is library closed?
The library closes at 6 p.m. every day.
What libraries is open on Sunday?
Is it open on Sunday?
Yes.
No, it opens from Monday to Saturday.
How many books?
How much?
How much?
How much does it cost?
Yeah.
Okay, it costs nothing. The entrance ticket is free. You don't need to pay money.
Yes.
Are there any?
Are they
Are there any foreign
any foreign
magazines?
magazine?
Okay, so you can see over 100 foreign newspapers and magazines here. Okay, thank you. So now I have two pairs of shoes here. So which one do you like and why?
Like this
Why do you like this one?
because it's so cute.
So cute.
Yeah.
Anything else? This one is cute too.
Red is not my favorite color.
Red is not your favorite color.
Yes.
So what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green and blue.
Green and blue?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So this is the end of your test. Thank you.